Update. Got us some new U-bolts there. These old plates that were on the bottom of the axle were too fried, too shot to use. So went to the junkyard and got some others. This one's a little questionable. Thinking I might weld it a little bit and reinforce it, but that one looks pretty good. Got some Bluebird lights at the junkyard. All the lenses are over on the tailgate. Here's the old air tank. Got some fender mount turn signals, or I'm sorry, body mount turn signals to go into the windshield. Bumper to go above this. This green thing is a bumper to go above the entrance door. And the trim to go around the wheel wells, those black things. Some mud flaps, and all this trim is the covers that go over the heater assembly. Got one rim, one tubeless 22.5 to update these, get rid of these 20s. Got to search the junkyard a little more. Got some glass to go on the back because it's plexiglass in that back corner. Got a new switch panel. This one looks a little bit nicer than the one we have. This is a repair piece I found on a bus at the junkyard. So we can hopefully fix this up. We'll have to cut it down a little more. But then this repair piece, it's flared here on the end. So it'll cover up and line up real nice. Otherwise it sits out like that. But this one, it's real good. Got a new dash panel. New rear roof cap. That needs a little body work yet. That's that corner piece that goes over here. It's all good and rotted out. And the dash panel's got some good rot on it right there too. So, we'll get rid of that. We need to fix where this water's coming in. This piece had a hole drilled in it. So got another one off the junkyard bus. This piece is notched out and ugly. And this one's real nice and not notched out. To go right there and replace that one. Piece of... That's that back piece there to cover up this hole. That's right there behind the plywood. There's the interior panel to replace that. Here's the corner piece that one's all jacked up. We still got to work on that a little bit. But we got a new one for the interior at least. The one on the outside had already been cut on the other bus that I was getting parts off of, so couldn't use that. So. Well, this is kind of interesting. This is on the right side leaf spring. When I pulled the cap off of there, I found that the nut that's there, full focus, John, the nut was just sitting on top of there, and it's like the nut had no threads left on it. So I've got the springs compressed, at least pushed together with the C-clamp there, and I ran a chaser over that, the bolt that's in the middle there, so we're going to put a new nut on there and see if we can get it to hold. Yeah, we bought a Wander Lodge.